Guys, most AI tools can generate visuals, but they still can't plan a video. If you've ever tried to actually plan a video before making it, you know how quickly everything gets messy. Not because the idea is bad, but because turning that idea into a clear sequence of scenes is way harder than it sounds. My name is Daniel, and today I am showing you a tool that approaches this whole process in a completely different way. You generate a few visuals, they don't really match, the character looks different every time, and at some point you stop building and start fixing. And mates, that's usually where most videos lose their structure before they're even made. But what if instead of generating random visuals, the AI actually built your entire storyboard for you from a single idea? Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. So let's get into it. Alright folks, before we jump into the demo, let's talk about what this actually is. Invideo is a platform for video creation, but recently they introduced AI agents, and one of them is called the Boards agent. Now, the idea here is not just to create images or clips, but to actually understand your story and break it down into a sequence of scenes. And friends, that's where this becomes interesting, because most AI tools still work one step at a time. You generate something, then you try to recreate it again, then you try to keep everything consistent, and it quickly turns into a process where you spend more time fixing things than actually building something. What this does instead is it takes your idea and plans it like a production flow from the start. So instead of thinking in individual shots, you're thinking in a full sequence right away. So let's see how that actually works. Alright guys, I am here inside Invideo, and before jumping straight into the tool, I just want to quickly show you what the platform actually looks like. So as you can see, this is the main dashboard, and you've got different sections here, like agents and models, projects, trends, workflows. And mates, I actually clicked through a few of these just to get a feel for how everything is structured, and overall it's pretty straightforward. Everything is organized around creating and managing content. But for this video, we're focusing on the AI agent section. So I'm going back here, selecting the agent, and this is where things get interesting. Right away, instead of asking you for a complicated prompt, it just asks for a topic or an idea, basically your point of view in a simple form. And friends, this is important, because you are not expected to write anything technical here, you are just describing what you want to create. So for this example, I'm going with a simple story about a filmmaker trying to create his first project, struggling with it, and eventually succeeding. Now, before generating, there are a few settings that you can adjust. You can choose the duration, which basically defines how long your final video will be. You can also select the platform, so whether this is for something like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and depending on what you choose, the setup slightly changes. And mates, that's actually a nice touch, because it adapts the format to where the video is going to be used. You also get different generation modes like Basic, Pro, or Ultra, which affect how the content is built. And if you want, you can even attach your own files to guide the process. So once everything is set, I click Generate, and now the system starts building the video. And this is where you'll notice that it does take a bit of time, because it's not just generating one thing, it's actually building the entire sequence. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Alright, so once it's done, this is what you get.
He had one story to tell, and he was going to tell it no matter what. The footage was wrong. The script fell apart. The crew walked out. He sat alone in the dark, wondering if the dream was ever real. But he picked up the camera one more time. And the night his film finally played, the room went silent, then erupted. He had told his story, and the world listened.
So as you can see guys, instead of just a single output, you're looking at a full video that's already structured for you. Now what's interesting here guys, is that everything is broken down into parts that you can actually control. If I go into the script, you can see that every part of the video is written out and timed, so you can adjust it, move things around, or completely change sections if you want. And mates, this gives you way more flexibility than just getting a finished result that you can't edit. There's also music, where you can either use what's generated or add your own. And friends, this is where it shifts from just generation into actual editing. Then you've got the media section, where each scene is mapped out visually, so you can see exactly what's being used in every part of the video. And if something doesn't fit, you can swap it, reorder it, or replace it entirely. Because you're not locked into the result, you're working with the structure that you can refine. And mates, one more thing. All of these AI agents are currently free for the next 2 weeks, so you can actually test this whole workflow without committing to anything. Guys, let's wrap this up. What makes this tool interesting is not just the output, but the way it changes the process. Because instead of building your video piece by piece and constantly fixing inconsistencies, you start with a structured plan that already makes sense. Now, of course, it's not perfect, and depending on your idea, you might still want to tweak certain shots or refine the direction. But as a starting point, it's way more usable than most tools in this space. So if you want to try it out, check the link in the description and see how it fits into your process. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.